A quadrilateral is a polygon that has four sides. If you look at the verbiage here and look at the different parts of the word, quad meaning four, lateral meaning side. So it does literally mean four-sided. So any polygon that has four sides qualifies as a quadrilateral. But we can get more specific in our naming schemes. We sometimes talk about a parallelogram. So a parallelogram is what happens when we have opposite sides are parallel. Here we go. That's what I meant to underline. Opposite sides are parallel. So we have this particular, if we have a quadrilateral, that would only be a quadrilateral if this side and this side are parallel, and then also this side and this side would have to be parallel as well. The arrows here are kind of one of the ways in geometry that we indicate being parallel, and the double arrows would be parallel to other double arrows. So not only when we have a parallelogram, this side over here is the same length as this side over here. So not only are these parallel, but they also end up being the same length. And this side over here is the same length as this side. So opposite sides are equal in length. Now, getting a little bit more specialized even yet, if we take that parallelogram and we snap a 90-degree corner in one of these, it actually snaps all four to 90 degrees, and we end up with a rectangle. So a rectangle, we see that the two sides are any sides that are opposite each other are parallel and the same length. That's why this is a parallelogram. But more specialized than that, it's a rectangle. Yeah, you're probably all familiar with rectangles already. All four angles are 90 degrees. Opposite sides are the same length. If we get even more specialized than that, we can say, okay, what happens if all four sides are the same length? Not just opposite sides, but all four sides are the same length. Then we get a square. A trapezoid is not continuing to get more specialized. This is looking at something else that can happen. This is what happens when we have one pair of parallel sides. So if this side and this side are parallel to each other, but this side here and this side are not parallel, then we have a trapezoid. When we have a trapezoid, we don't have any of that special the special relationships. We can't say that any two sides are equal to each other. All we know with the trapezoid is that the two of the sides, two of the opposite sides, are parallel to each other.